So do you want to learn how YouTubers showcase their vertical video on a horizontal timeline like this? Then keep watching as I'll show you how to do this. You can do this on any video editing software. However, today I'll show you how to do this on Capcut. So as you can see, we have this vertical video on your horizontal timeline. However, this video is looking very boring and you have these empty spaces on both sides. So let's fix this and make it more creative. So first, let's zoom into the existing video to 400%. So select the video and then at the top right, go ahead and change the scale to 400%. Now let's apply the blur effect. So go ahead and tap on effects at the top. And here you want to search for blur. Once you see it, go ahead and tap on the plus sign to add it to the track. Once added to the timeline, go ahead and drag it so it fills up the whole video. Now once that's done, you want to go ahead and place another copy of the video on top. And there you go. Now you can adjust your brightness, contrast, color, and the blur of the background video to your liking, and then export this video to YouTube. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.